Ever wish you could control exactly what people see first when they visit your Instagram profile? If you're tired of your best posts getting buried, this one's for you. Let's talk about how to pin a post on Instagram so your top content always gets the spotlight it deserves. Pinning a post is honestly one of the simplest tricks to boost your visibility. Whether it's a photo, a reel, or a big announcement, pinning locks that post at the very top of your profile. So, when someone lands on your page, it's the first thing they see. For creators, artists, brands, really anyone, this means more eyes on your best work and way more chances for likes, comments, and shares. Here's how easy it is. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile, and find the post you want to pin. Tap the three dots on the top right and look for Pin to your profile. That's it! The post jumps straight to the top. You can do the same thing with your Instagram Reels. Just follow those same steps on any video you want to feature. And if you ever want to unpin a post, just go back, tap the three dots again, and select Unpin from your profile. Now, choosing the right posts to pin is key. Highlight your best content, showcase important announcements, or share evergreen tips people always ask about. You can even pin testimonials or big achievements, and don't forget to swap things out regularly to keep your profile fresh. And if you want even more engagement on your pinned posts, check out MediaMister. They offer safe, real Instagram followers and engagement, no password needed. Give your top content the attention it deserves with MediaMister and watch your profile stand out.